In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, go into Devices Settings and scroll to hit Apps. Then tap on Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings. Finally, hit the Default Apps and tap on Launcher section. Now click on Launcher Pro. Wait for the pop-up to show up after tapping on Home button. Select Allow All and wait. As you can see, after that, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, you can always go into Launcher app. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go back to the same settings and click on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!